Welcome back to my channel. So, oh my god, katagal ko na hindi nakapag-post ng video sa aking YouTube. And I think 2023 yung last for my debut. So, ang episode for today is, ano ba title, guys? Suggest.
December chillax.
Going back to the corner.
So, what's like, homies getaway. So, since
Get together, going to Villa.
Christmas break, so we're gonna swim. So, pupunta kami sa Villa de Mercedes.
I mean, also, this is a training for Julius if he were to be a girl dad. Because look at us.
Hala!
What?
I mean, look at us three. It is already too much to handle. What more kapag anak niya na, diba?
Yes, so this is our
In
father.
the future pa lang. Pero karon lang group daddy ako.
Yes.
Hello, if ma-watch doon yun to 10 years from now.
10 years from now.
Hi guys, this is your mom. This is your pinakagalanting ninang. And itong pinaka-single in the future for sure.
Hala.
Of course.
Guys, let me introduce to you Lena Cortez.
Siya ang pumatay kay
Mang Noy.
Wala siyang mercy. Wala siyang mercy.
Nilagay niya pa sa maleta. Tapos sinunod niya pa si Roda. Oh, and by the way, si Matthew pala is si tita yung maghatid sa kanya, so wala siya dito sa car. Kasi yung sa swimming namin for today, 5 lang kami. Hindi available yung iba kasi yung iba nasa Tagum and such. Yung iba hindi pinayagan.
Ay sa recovering pa.
Yes. So 5 lang kami out of.
Yung isa nasa Manila pa actually.
Yung isa hindi pinayagan, nasa Manila na iwan. So we're going to Villa de Mercedes, located in Toril. So ayun, we're still traveling. Layo ba siya here?
Layo pa.
Ay, naka-go na ka there? Yes.
Ano?
Sana
Ibigyan
boy
ako ng
yung
location sa
volleyball
dad ko
net
sa
nila.
magdaan.
Hi guys! So, we're here in Toril, but we stop over dito sa, anong tawag dito guys? Anong Grand?
Sana Grant? Yeah.
Yeah, mag-buy kami ng food. Hi, Lena. Hi, Chris. Hi. Nauna na si Julius. Hi, kids. Say hi. Ang cutie. Okay, so pasok na kami sa supermarket. Let's go. Let's do this. Ayun sila. So we're inside na. Oh my God. Kumunog ba siya? So, there's a Dunkin' Donut. So we're gonna go there. Leno!
I'm sorry.
Alam niyo guys, siya talaga si Lena Cortez
si Lena,
sa Batang Quiapo.
Ano ba?
Yeah.
I don't even watch TV.
Young version ng
And then,
Tayo.
Young
Young version ni Lena.
Yeah, and then nawala na siya sa Batang Quiapo. So, nandito na siya sa Davao.
Yeah. Be careful tayo sa...
Yeah. Okay, so we're here in our Dunkin' Donuts. I'm really craving for butternut.
Pag-usawa ka na, ano?
Oh my God, I think
Nag-box ka, guys? Or no?
I think
Or individual?
Ilan
ba tayo? 6
Wait
tayo?
lang, naman si Matt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tayo.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas.
Hi guys! So, the moment is here. So, nandito na kami sa loob ng villa. So, again, we're here in Villa de Mercedes in Toril. Hi, Chris. Hi, Father July.
Di ba nag-psych?
Hi, Lena. Astazek. Hi, guys! So, finally, this is the moment. So, we're here na at the venue, Villa de Mercedes. Hi, guys! So, Matthew and Julius and Lena Cortez, Astazek.
Stop saying that I look like Lena. I
And si Krisa. So,
What's up, everyone?
there's the view, guys. So, ayun yung pool. So
I can mimic him
nice.
already.
That's where you are. So, ayun yung pool. So, there.
The more you imitate him,
And then, ang ganda ng view niya sa likod.
Tell me what you want. call it what you want to. My baby fly like a jet stream, high above the whole scene, loves me like I'm brand new. So call it what you want, yeah, call it what you want. Game start.
Hi guys! So it's already night time and time check, it's 6:34 p.m. So we're done sa swimming sa Villa de Mercedes and we're traveling. And we're still in Toril, so we will be stopping by Gaisano Mall, Toril, to eat dinner. Hi, Zer.
And if you like...
Hi, Papa.
Hey! Hello!
Hi, Matt.
What's
Andiyan na
up,
si
what's
Matt,
up, what's
guys. Yeah. Andiyan na si Matt. Kasi kanina si tita yung naghatid kay Matt, so wala siya. And he's now here.
You're welcome, Matt.
Where's Chris? Hindi siya kita. Hi.
What's up? What's up?
So we're still traveling.
Birthday ni Steph.
Ang layo pa po ng
Birthday
birthday
ni
ko,
Steph.
guys.
Ngayon!
Bye na wala!
Ano yan?
Yan.
Birthday ni Steph!
Malapit na yung birthday ni Chris.
Birthday.
Oh, 31.
Ate.
So, New Year's Eve. So, ayan, we're still traveling. We're looking for Jollibee.
Sa ulas na lang bitaw ta I mean, may Jollibee sa ulas?
Puan.
Puan, ay, sorry.
like Jollibee. Makdo lang, guys.
Pakto daw.
Yeah, magdata dyan. Store lang. Malapit natin.
Okay, sure.
Ayan, we're still traveling. Okay ka lang, Zek. So, parang
I'm
medyo
back
red.
and busy, kaka.
So-
Dating lang Davao and then ang dami na agad appointment.
Yeah, so this is like getaway with homies plus welcome back,
Welcome
Zek.
home, Zek.
Ganon.
Ah.
Ang aming Manila girly. Oh, insert pala kay Nina, kay Tayang, kay
Johnson.
Johnson, and kay Stephanie, Dilangale, mga absinot. Ay, si Avril!
April pod, oh.
Yan. Siguro kung nandyan kayo guys, sa bubong kayo pinasakay ni Julius.
Oy! Dili, oy. Kani jokes, oh.
Ayan. Char. Ayan, ito yung someone
Sa
Gmall.
jeep ng ganitong oras sa Davao.
Dito, no? Night time, guys.
Daydream, look in your eyes, and I get that red lip classic.
So, and by the way guys, nakita niyo yung view ng Gaisano Grand Toril. So, ayan yung Gaisano Grand Toril.
We never go out.
So, ayan.
You got that long hair, slick back, white t-shirt.
So, maghahanap muna kami ng McDo guys. Basta I think Gaisano Toril, no?
Yeah, gisano.
Yeah, so later we'll take a video again. And by the way, yung mga pictures and videos from the pool, kay i-compile na lang namin.
Hey.
Yes, for this video vlog. Para makita niyo yung mga ganap. Mga ganap doon. So, I think we took 2 hours. Kami mga girls nag-picture-picture. Mas mahaba pa yung time namin sa picture-picture kaysa sa swimming. So, that's girls. Kasi girls kami.
Girls will be girls.
Walang choice si Matthew and Julius kay mga OA ilang mga kauban. Yes.
Training to kay Julius din na mag-build up ng patience sa mga girly pops niya.
Yeah. I joke lang. For me, really.
And si Matthew.
Oh, ito rin. Training to sa inyong dalawa. Kasi kami rich titas lang kami on the corner.
Okay na
Galante na,
siguro.
tita.
Basta galante ninang.
No.
And the most galante
Ito, secure
tita
na
for
yung
sure.
OP. Panganak dito na agad. Pedia, whatever kung ano man pipiliin ito. Ito, secure na ang flight tickets niya.
Flight attendant!
Flight attendant.
Ang
Ako,
aming
depende
flight
to sa
attendant
ano.
sa likod. Si Grease, meron na kaming libreng sakay sa airplane.
Ito, kapag may kaso,
What's this? Is this the mall? So we're here na.
Wala, katong daming. Ano, Aaron?
Ayan yung Gaisano Mall Toril.
Night drive-thru dito, eto.
Ganyan.
Dine-in dito.
Alam ka. Are we?
mag-gmall tayo.
Mag-gmall tayo.
Wala sa gawas ang McDo. Wala sa
Ganyan, ganyan. Dito tayo daan.
Oh, really?
Puno siya ba?
Yeah, it's so crowded because it's Christmas season.
Come on, drive-thru kayo guys or ano, dine-in ta?
Okay, so we'll stop the video first and we'll take a video again later. Gotcha! Hi guys! So So we're here on our next destination. So behind ni Julius. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, chat.
Hey, Cha.
So, nag-drive-thru kami sa McDo. So, ang plan talaga is kakain doon. But pagdating doon, walang parking. Wala pang tables and chairs. So, nag-suggest si Father na diri na lang. Hi, Chris!
Kasi makakita kasi doon eh.
Si Matthew, Julius, Zeki, and me.
Okay.
So, ayun na kami yung McDo. Nandito
Disney
kami
Plus?
sa lungga ni Julius.
Nice. Search an episode.
We're having our dinner here. So, ayan, I'll place the camera here.
Disney Plus, ito na show. Pero,
Ayan.
kalimutan ko.
Ano?
Hi! Hindi kaya kita Chris and Mac. So, ayan. Ayan, McDo. Lagi na lang kami nagma-McDo.
Punta lang din nila tanggalon sa Disney
Kasi
Plus.
we love McDo. Yeah.
Sorry.
But the spaghetti is not so giving. Kaya masyado matamis compared to Jollibee.
Yan.
I thought we were supposed to call them.
Oh yeah, we're gonna call pala Thea, Stephanie. Go!
Medyo top. Sige, anak ko wifi. Gusto mo connect?
Go,
Kamo lang. Kamo lang.
Can you call for GC?
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know.
Hi guys! So again, this is our last video before we say goodbye to each other. So
Next month.
our get together is now coming to an end. So again, this is Zach, Matthew.
Next year na sad, guys.
For Zach, kasi taga Manila naman si Zach.
Pero,
Zeki, say hi since you're taga Manila. So ayan, malapit na kami ma-finish and pa-uwi.
Oy, Matthew,
So our video.
kasi that's,
Not a very tiring day, but it's very fun.
is that?
Since naka-bonding and get together kami again. Who is it?
Schedule.